ৰিয়ান পৰাগৰ অধিনায়কত্বক সন্মান কৰিলে প্ৰশংসা কৰিলে ৰাহুল দ্ৰাবিড়ে কিংবদন্তি ৰাহুল দ্ৰাবিড়ে ৰিয়ান পৰাগক প্ৰশংসা কৰিলে আৰু একেটা সময়তে ৰাজস্থান ৰয়েলছে কোৱালিফাই কৰিব পাৰিব সেই সন্দৰ্ভতো ৰাহুল দ্ৰাবিড়ে আজি সংবাদমেলত মন্তব্য কৰিলে খেলত জয় পৰাজয় থাকে কিন্তু ৰিয়ান পৰাগে যে কেপ্টেইনশিপ ভাল কৰিছে সেই সন্দৰ্ভত ৰাহুল দ্ৰাবিড়ে ক'লে সংবাদমেলত
We didn't play up to our potential in the last two games, but they were tough games, in a sense that in both the games, I think in the first half of the game, we didn't play particularly well. I think, we gave probably 30 runs extra in the game in Hyderabad on a very flat wicket, and yesterday we probably could have scored 25 runs more in this match, so we just need to get both parts of the game right. But it's early days in the tournament, I think it's early days, it's just a start, and there's a lot of positives as well in the last two games that we've got to see, so it's just good, and hopefully we can string together a good game against CSK tomorrow.
Myself, Lakshya from NKTV Plus. My question about Riyan Parag. Last season, Riyan Parag batted number 4, but he success. But this season he promoted to number 3. Do you think that Riyan Parag is number 3 is suitable for him or team?
Yeah, the right word you used, that he's promoted. Look, Riyan is one of our best batsmen, let's be honest. Riyan is one of our best batsmen, and we want to give him as many balls as we possibly can. 20 overs is a very short time, and the more balls Riyan Parag bats for us, the better for us, right, as a team, But of course, these things we will keep looking at, we will keep assessing, we'll keep seeing how it goes. We know that Riyan's done really well at number 4, so it gives us an option. We could think about maybe at some stage putting him to 4 if it is required. But honestly, the move to move him to 3 was more a positive move. It is to try and give him more time to bat, and we know how destructive a player he is, and if he gets more time, then he can score more runs, and that can benefit the team. So that was the thinking, but we can always assess that, and we can always see how it's going, and I think he's quite comfortable. He's more than capable of batting in any position. He's a very good player.
Hi, Coach. Tarun Shastri from the Hindu Chennai.
Yeah.
Not having a hitting all-rounder, is it a big problem for you guys?
Not really. To be honest, a lot of it in these situations now with the impact player, you actually do get your options. You do get your bowling and batting options with the 12 players. To be honest, if you look at our last game, we were able to play 7 bowling options. We actually have 7 bowling options in the playing 11, so we're covered in that department. With the batting as well, I think we were able to extend our batting using Hasranga right up to 8, which Hetmaya came at 8 in the last game, and then we had Jofra who could bat at 9. So I think there's enough depth. So I think I think the role with the impact player sub, I think the role of the all-rounder now is really diminished. Of course, to have one is if you have one, it's great, but I don't think it's as much a necessity as it probably used to be in the past, and that is reflected in the way a lot of teams set up their combinations as well. Yeah, I think I'm very excited about the squad. I think we've got a really good team and a very good squad, and I know the first couple of games we haven't played as well as we possibly can, but that can happen. I think in a big tournament, it's a long tournament, you can have a couple of tough games, but even in those 2 games, there are a lot of positives that there are to see. It's going to be a tight tournament. There are a lot of teams who won 1 game, lost 1 game, so it's a tight tournament. It's not going to be it's going to be a tournament that's going to be sort of probably decided at the back end of the tournament. So it's probably better to start slightly badly and then finish really strong and qualify and go through it till the end. And I'm really happy and excited about the team we've picked and the squad we've picked, and hopefully we'll get to, like I said, put in 2 good performances in both the halves of the game.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক 7099017330 লগতে 7099017110 নম্বৰত।